Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you top 4 best free Minecraft server host. So let's get started. The first and the most popular server is Aternos. Aternos is a popular choice for Minecraft server hosting. It offers a user-friendly interface, easy setup process, and supports various Minecraft versions and mods. Also, Aternos provides a range of customization options and plugins to enhance your server's gameplay. Number 2 is Server.pro. Server.pro is a reliable free Minecraft server hosting platform that offers powerful features like custom domain support, FTP access, and a control panel for server management. It's suitable for both beginners and experienced server owners looking for more advanced options. The number 3 is Minefort. Minefort, another fantastic option for free Minecraft server hosting. It's known for its simplicity and flexibility, allowing you to create and manage your server with ease. Its hosting will provide free Minecraft servers forever. You can add more players by using their paid plan. The last free best Minecraft server host is Minehut. This is also free forever Minecraft server hosting service. Minehut allows players to create and manage their Minecraft servers for free, making it accessible to a wide distance. Minehut offers a range of features such as easy server setup, customizable plugins, and a supportive community. Players can customize their servers, invite friends to play, and explore various gameplay modes. With Minehut, players have their freedom to create their unique Minecraft experiences and engage with a vibrant community of fellow players and creators. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.